Just fulfilling a coaster order. Lots of Harry Hedgehog coasters. I've got to take this tape off, but they're still really hot. So I'm going to let them cool down for a bit, because over here I'm planning next year's calendar. I just can't decide what pictures I want to put in, because I've got 5 new ones, actually maybe 6. Well, I've still got to finish the owl, and I did draw Amber this year, but she's not in the same style as these ones. That's my dilemma really, because the 5 new ones are in the same style, and I would really like to have all of them together in the one calendar just to showcase my new style. But equally, these ones were in this year's calendar, so I don't know if it'll be boring having them in the next one. I don't know. So the coasters are all finished. I've put their backs on, and I was just taking a nice photo of them for Instagram. And now I'm going to put them in their little bags, package them up really nicely, and then go and deliver them, because they're just somebody local that's ordered them, which is really nice. I've just delivered the coasters, and now we're heading to the beach to walk the dogs. Can't see anything. So fast forward, my calendars have arrived. I went for all brand new images, ones that weren't in last year's calendar. So let me show you. So we have Penny on the front cover, Nuthatch for January, one of my new landscapes. When I say all brand new images, this one, the Nuthatch and the Stone Chaps, did feature in my first ever calendar, but obviously that was a couple of years ago now, so I thought they would be nice to put back in here, because I'm getting back to this style with all the patterns included. Bluebell, Firecrest. This one I had to finish the image a bit because it was just the bird and the background, but I added in these patterns to tie it into my new work. This kingfisher was a little sketch that I did, and I scanned it in, just tweaked it a little bit, added in the background. Fallow Me, the fallow deer, mum and baby. There's Penny, another landscape, Stone Chat, Bullfinch, that's another old drawing, but I thought it fitted quite well. And my new Christmas robin. This is my Christmas card design for this year, and they are going to feature in the next vlog, so stay tuned for that. So there we go, my 2023 calendar. I do have one other thing to show you. this is my finished barn owl. Now you saw me drawing the eye for this in a previous vlog, and here it is finished. I'm so pleased with how this turned out. If you've seen my Instagram post, you'll know that I've called it silver lining, and it just holds so much meaning for me. Some people believe that the barn owl brings the message light in the darkness and a symbol of hope. And we certainly all need to hold on to that right now with everything that's going on in the world. It could be hard to see the way forward, to know how we're going to get through and overcome these difficult times. And for me, this painting is reminding me to trust that there is hope. We might have to seek it out, but there will be a way forward. And on a more personal note, this painting marks my work transitioning into a new style. So it brings a sense of new beginnings for me, and also confirmation that I am on the right path. I just really hope that this barn owl piece brings a spark of light to everyone else too, and just hold on to the hope that there will be a silver lining to all of this. I've used metallic gouache for this on the leaves. It's just so pretty. I just love it. Everything about it. It's exactly what I had in my mind. And it all came together beautifully. So that's everything I've got to show you for now. I'll leave you with some clips from our dog walk earlier today. We're trying to make the most of the good weather and get out in the forest as much as possible before winter hits. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Right, 3 minutes. Good boy.